everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this face for the first time, please take a moment to watch out the other videos. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. My handles will be in the description box. But if you have already followed my channel, you all know what my channel is all about. Mostly shopping reviews, haul videos, any kind of tricks and hacks I share, any kind of DIYs. By the way guys, this week a lot of DIYs are coming by the way. I have made a separate video of my winter skincare routine because many of you guys says that your skin is glowing, it's looking good, you are also looking good. That's because you take a good care of your skin. Do not use a lot of products. Honestly, cosmetics, usage of lot of cosmetics is not something that will give you a good glowing skin, but using of proper products in the proper season is something which is really gonna help you to have a good skin. So I've made a separate video on that. I've made a separate video on the purple haul, so please do check out those videos. I've really put in my efforts on those videos and I hope that videos would have been really helpful to you guys. So without further ado, let's just quickly get into the video. Today's video is very close to my heart because I love oxidized jewelry. Now there is a difference between the German silver jewelry, black polish and oxidized. Let me get this thing clear before we proceed to the videos and the shopping hauls, because my shopping hauls are not just what I wanted, what I've purchased. I'll just show you and I'll consume time and then I'll go off. But I want to be little informative as well, because many of you guys are really confused about the black polish jewelry, and then you get confused about silver jewelry, and then you get confused about the German silvers, and then you know, the really oxidized ones. Now the German silvers are something which are real good quality of silver with a intricate detailing on it. So they are the German silvers. They are really expensive. Their range starts from 500 when it comes to small earrings, and when it comes to entire set, they are really costly by the way guys. So German silvers are those ones. Then comes replica. Replica are something which they copy the German silver jewelry, so they are the replicas. Third comes the oxidized jewelry, means the normal oxidized stuff jewelry that I will be showing in this video. Black oxidizes when they have a black matte cover or a black matte plating on the jewelry is what something they are called black oxidized jewelry or the black metal jewelry. So I hope this was little informative. The German silvers are the real ones. They are really costly. Then comes a replica, which is they are trying to replicate, means they are trying to copy the German silver ones. Silver jewelries are like they are made of pure silver. I hope that is very easy and clear. Oxidized are the ones which are really the jewelries will not get more rusty because they are already oxidized. And black metal is something when on the oxidized they put a black coating. So that is what the basic difference on these kind of jewelries. So the first junky jewelry, which is a German silver, I'm going to show you is this beautiful earring, and I got it from Mrs. Satarupa Chakravarti. She has a Facebook page. She has her own page of Facebook. Definitely I will link it in the description box. All her jewelries are very unique guys, trust me, they are really unique. One among them is this beautiful jewelry, which is a beautiful bird. This is a German silver, beautiful bird. And then the jhumkis, beautiful. This is, I will give you a close because I'll not justify this jewelry. A beautiful bird in the middle of the square with these three jhumkis, and the first three is like this. This is one of the beauty, I can't tell you. I wanted to wear them and then show you because I think I won't be doing justification if I don't wear them. They are real good guys. I can't tell you the quality. Thank you so much Dee for the unique. They are very unique guys. They are not the ones that you will get easily. They are the real replicas of the German silver. So that's how it looks like. Very beautiful guys. I can't tell you. You can pair this up with kurti. You can pair up this up with a little Indo-Western top. So yeah, you can definitely pair this up and this looks supremely beautiful. I will show you again a close pic. The back pic is like this. So any jewelry, if you look back, you'll get the better quality of this jewelry, and the front is this beauty. hope this was clear. So I got a pair of them. Then the next thing, I got a beautiful finger ring. So this is a peacock finger ring, by the way. Very nice. I can't tell you how pretty it is. So that's how it will look like, a beautiful peacock with this three meenakari work. Very different, by the way, guys. This is again a replica of German silver. So I will give you a really close pic. So that's how it's really pretty. My husband is watching from there. I want him to watch this. And when this is there, there's a beautiful peacock, and then this is a detailing, and this is a jhumka. So beautiful, very different, by the way. It's very different. It is not adjustable. Yeah, it is adjustable, but this is very pretty. I love this finger ring. Very I mean, they were very affordable, guys. I think this was for 120. So this replica was 120. This was for 70 rupees. Yeah, very affordable. Seriously, she also sells 1.5 gram plated jewelries. She has those collections. I got them also. I got a lot of western neck pieces, and yeah, a lot of western neck pieces I got from her, and they were really affordable and really nice, by the way, guys. So they were really affordable. The next thing which I got from her is, I've got one beautiful Krishna earring. I think I have kept it somewhere else. Okay. I'll move to that later. I've got this beautiful neck piece. So that's how it is. Let me give you a close pic of it. So that's how the pendant is, with lot of this kind of work. So this is again an oxidized one, and then it is followed by these. So yeah, it somewhere looks like this. I'm already wearing black, so it will go very easily with the western top. It will go easily with the kurti as well, but I would love to wear this with the western top, also with the black and white elegant sari. This will go not very heavy but very classy piece. The original price is 170, and yeah, I got it from for 170 only, and I really love this. I can't tell you how beauty this is when I'm gonna wear this. So it has got this kind of chain, and that's how it looks like. It looks very classy, by the way, guys. This specific pendant is very classy, and these beads are really good. So that's pretty much. I got that Krishna pendant. They were really good. I think they were also stud kind of, but now I am at my hometown. So I am in Nagpur, so I have missed lot of stuff there, but definitely they were very good. I will try and send the pic of them. They were two Krishna, Radha Krishna, and they were really good stud. So yeah, that's pretty much. Let me search once more if I have that. No, unfortunately I've just left it. She has this beautiful jhumkis also, by the way. You will get all kind of gold plated jewelries from her, the western and also specifically if you guys are Bong, then she has a lot of Bengali shakha pola badhano, means when the shakha has all the gold things. So those kind of products she has. I will give the link of her page in the description box. Please go ahead and follow her. She has all the updates in Facebook. So whatever new collections she pick from the market, she always make sure that put them in the Facebook. She's very active in Facebook, and all the products are, you can easily check them out. Please don't forget to check her page, because she sells amazing products at a very affordable price. I can't tell you, this German silver replicas are like 120 and 50, 70 rupees is super affordable, and this chain for 170 is very affordable, because this is a very big bunch, very big slot of oxidized jewelry, and the entire work is so classy. So please follow her. do take a moment, subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And I will definitely see you in the next video with some more interesting hacks. By the way, I have created this eyeshadow look specifically to show you what are the hacks, what are the do's and don't to apply proper eyeshadow. So please do take a moment to check that video also, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.